if you remember from about a week or so ago, a little more than, I was trying to find a drill, and I had been asking my family, hey, if you guys, like, could you find the drill? And I'm so crazy. It's right there. And then my mom goes, I think it might be in your room. Like, why would the drill batteries be in my room? She's like, well, because you were drilling something. I was like, no, I wanted to drill something. No, you did drill stuff. I was like, the last time, because you were putting, like, shelving things together. I was like, Mom, that was last year. I haven't had the drill batteries in my room for a year. And I was correct. And they're like, well, they're out there in the garage somewhere. I'm like, okay, well, then go find them. Because I tried. And everywhere you told me to look, they were not. And then all of a sudden, my dad has the epiphany that he left them at his hunting area. I was like, okay. But, so instead of having the handy drill, we had to use the older, we have the Black & Decker instead of the Milwaukee. Which, I mean, I just need a drill. I don't really care. So let's get these little bags and things out of the way. We're just going to some drywall, so there'll be a little bit of a mess. What we're doing is we're going to add hooks here so I can put some of my other wigs to clear up some space. Because I have to maximize all of my wall space because I do not have any more floor space. So that's what's happening here. So here's the drill. Got our drill bit in. And because these are like the expander supports, you tie this with a little piece of tape to see how far in you go on your drill bit. So we got that. Now we do our stuff. Measured with some chalk to see where I'm going. My drill doesn't have a Phillips head bit, so I'm gonna have to do the rest of this manually. 9 years, yes. Is it gonna get done? Yes. That I've chosen, they have this, and you have this little hanger doohickey. The flat side goes against the wall, and we just push up till it snaps, and then you have your screw. It all comes together, and then you stick this part in there. We finally got all of that clean. That was all that covered. So I think in order to get the rest of this, I'm gonna have to order 2 of those other ones, which sucks because they're not cheap. But I did manage to get all the stuff off of there. We got our Murphy's Oil Soap and Water. Sorry about that. So I had to plug this in because this cord was not long enough to get from there to ceiling because I don't have the cordless drill. Because we're going to be hanging stuff everywhere. We're going to be hanging this, and I want to put up this trim around the edge, and we're also going to be like doing some spring cleaning. So I already started taking stuff off, and we're going to clean as we go. So nahaha. Mahaha. Okay. Hair. So I have all this stuff on my bed because I took it off of the shelves. And it's moments like this when I'm cleaning everything that I just want to burn it all up because I'm like, I don't want to have to clean it. In candles, like, I don't know what happened. It was squished behind a thing. Oh, I'm I'm so bad at measurements. So what has become abundantly clear is one roll of this that I ordered is not enough for my room because I only have about half of it left, and I only did that. That wall's the only one that's done. We finally got all of that clean. That was all that covered. So I think in order to get the rest of this, I'm gonna have to order 2. I managed to get all the stuff off of there, clean them over here. I'm thinking about maybe taking my glasses and my, oh, where did my big goblet go? And this downstairs so I can actually like use them. Because what's the point of having pretty things like this if you can't use them, right? And I got this whole wall cleaned and the baseboard over here cleaned. I have to move those things got moved. I got to switch them back. And I made a decision that because I have been cleaning all day, it's 6:48 right now, and I'm going to be done cleaning wherever I am at 8. And then I'm going to take a well-deserved bath. That is the plan right now. 3 main things done. I got the hooks. I put that up, and I got the chandelier up. Those were my 3 main things that I wanted done. So, and then I got all the rest of this cleaned, got that space cleared off so I can put other stuff there. Yeah, let's keep going. Okay, I tried my best with the floor, but I got this cleared up. I got the stuff off the floor. This isn't how I kind of permanently want it, but this is kind of what I have going on organized wise. I didn't get here or over there, but I got all of this done. And I did get the windows cleaned over here and the mirror cleaned. It's 8:35. I have been cleaning for like 12 hours. I took a break to eat dinner, but I'm so exhausted. All right. Let's go do some spring refreshing, shall we? All right. So I have champagne bubble bath going. I got some face things from Petrology. Come on, focus. Jeez. And I have this. I am going to do some hair coloring. So, I've done this before with overtone. So, and yeah, I turned off the other light because I have that light on. And I'm wearing my, one of my messed up painting shirts. I think I have it on backwards too. But yeah, let's get started. Got some purple that we're gonna put underneath. I am such a professional. Okay, so there's the purple. And then I'm gonna go get a new pair of gloves for the copper. Kinda got started without you guys. I did not do this very evenly, I must say. But that's okay. Alright. So I have used the last of this. Okay. Struggling. This cap is a little too small for this hair. I didn't put Vaseline on or anything, but It'll wash off. Or I'm gonna look tie-dyed. Okay, so here we are. I got some eye masks on. I have the rejuvenating eye gels. I have on the Firm Believer neck and décolleté mask. I have on 2 whitening strips. And I have the Patchology Smart Mask Mud Mask, which is a mud mask in a sheet mask form, which I absolutely love. And I just got out of the tub, and you know, even when I look like this, I feel like $1,000,000. Hey, so here's what we have, and that's kind of what I expected for like the quick job that I did. The underneath part, I think the purple looks really cool. Like I said, I'm not after perfection. I just want a little something different. I think it's gonna look really nice. And I couldn't get all of my hair because there just wasn't enough of the other color, which is fine. I just wanted enough to give me some highlights and just give me a little something different. So, and it's really storming outside. But that was my little spring refresh. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Bye, my lovely humans. I hope you had a good weekend.